are going to turn a text to a fake QR code. To do this, we are going to use the random library. Define a function, giving a text and the size of the QR code. Default will be 8 rows, 8 columns. We are going to randomly generate a black square or an empty square. To make sure that for each text, we will generate the same QR code every time, we need to give a seed to random. So random dot seed. And we can add up all the characters in the text, use that as a seed. So sum of ORD of every character for every character in text. So this means for every character in the text, I'm going to convert this character to an integer and add up all the integers. That is the seed of my random. So every time for the same text, I will generate the same QR code. Let's store the QR code in a list. For I in range size, every row starts with an empty string. For j in range size, we are going to get a random number. If this random number is more than 0.5, we are going to add a black square. How to add a black square? We can use emojis. Else, we will add a space. Now this for loop will generate one row for us. After that, we will append the row to pattern. At the end of the function, we will return the QR code as a string. Use new line to join every row inside pattern. Run the code. Let's test. Text to QR ABC. That's the QR code for ABC. Subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!